Yeah, I and I there and on the flight, you know, people. Yeah. And on the flight there, you know. As you see, the spirit them up, they say, and they were having fun. Yeah, that's that. They're on the flight. I want them over chicken, the chicken I drink. Yeah, the chicken I drink. Yeah. Yeah, fun. It's a fun flight, you know. Big up yourself, spirit.
Okay, for those of you who will take photos and videos, it's gonna be $25, man.
Okay, yeah, the man said, him come and serve him, ask if it's.
You wanna take a photo with the chicken?
Well, no, I'm good still, yeah.
Want some mustard sauce? There you go, man.
Yeah, you see, they're having fun on the spirit flight, man. This is a nice flight. The first me ever dip on a flight, and you know,
that's how we get money in.
Festive. So, you know, I'm on the way down here to Jamaica, really. And it just, I feel good when I say we can share a little thing with you, know, open the can see. Don't close the deck over there, open at the sky, we open at the sky right now. Yeah, and see. Yeah. Yeah, so big up on yourself. Yeah, big up the spirit also. Yeah, never go and good on the thing. Yeah, it's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, red, green and gold. And you see me there on a relaxing journey. Yeah, working hard. Yeah, I and I man earn. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so we are going to build back on the flight. And when we reach down there, we have touch base with this. I'll touch base. I'll lower it up. We can know say yeah. But right now, tell you the truth, it's a good thing. And first we kick off as usual. Yeah, we kick off as usual. And the people them say, yo, and start laugh. At the first flight we really come on fun. And the people them start laugh, then you give one little Karen in there next to me and me that talk loud and she talk about oh you know. And me I say yo. Rule number 1, freeness of speech. I met your PCS me use still, you know, I don't know fancy thing. Be a 1 billion talk as much as me can. So remember, it's Rastafari soldier, yeah, Deep Roots TV, Real Youth TV, yeah, the Free Youth TV. I'm on the way forward, Jamaica. Yeah, St. Elizabeth. Jamaica's food basket. Big up on yourself, the family and friends. My soon land. Yeah, me gonna know, give you an update. See? Bless up on yourself. My love.